I'm seriously excited about this.
Tag team.
Tag team. All right, tag team. You gotta say tag team.
You don't get customer service from your keyboard.
We are here with Jimmy at DJ's Mobile Home. Let's just put your business card right here so that people can see it. DJ's Mobile Home Supplies and Sales here in Andrews, North Carolina. And this is Jimmy right here. Say hi, Jimmy.
Hi.
Jimmy and I are going to tag team today to check out his inventory. And I just wanted to give a quick heads up about your work flow. You don't use like a laptop computer. You're mostly a guy who uses you actually have a landline phone here for the most part and that kind of thing?
That's correct. Yeah, we're old school here at DJ's Mobile Home Supply.
Nice. And you don't find that's difficult at all? Not a problem?
Not at all, because if the power goes out, I've still got my files.
You got backup automatically, right?
That's right.
So you actually use paper and whatnot.
True.
Cool. And do you currently use things like Facebook or online listings or any of those kinds of services?
No, we've been here almost 22 years, and we advertise probably for the first 5, and we don't even do that anymore.
All right, but you're still getting some pretty good business here.
Absolutely.
So you like the idea of getting keywords for your business so that people who are looking online can find your business through a directory that tags your business with certain items so that people in the area can find them?
I do, yes. We'll start right here with all of our faucets. We have faucets from lavatory faucets, kitchen faucets, bathtub faucets.
Okay, nice.
A big selection of faucets.
All right, so that's like 3 different keywords: kitchen faucets, lavatory faucets,
and bathroom faucets.
and bathroom faucets.
And
Nice.
over here we have our interior doors
All right,
for like bedroom, bath, closet.
cool. And this is mostly for modular homes, right? Everything in your
I
store.
sell is for manufactured homes.
Nice.
Or modular.
Cool.
And right here, this row of doors down through here, we call these the combination doors.
Okay.
And mostly these are front entry doors.
Front entry and combination doors.
Correct. Now some folks, they prefer to put them on the back, which you can do also.
Okay.
But mainly this is a front entry door.
Okay. So if they were looking for one, they'd probably think front entry door.
Correct.
All right.
We just walk right on down through here.
Are these called storm windows that are on the doors, or is that a separate item?
It's a storm door. That's one unit, if you'll see. We also have awnings.
All right.
That you can install over your doors or windows, and to keep them getting wet if you're bringing in groceries from a grocery store.
Cool.
Right here in this display, we have all of our lock sets for our doors, interior doors, exterior doors, and storm door handles, things of that nature.
Lock set.
Right.
And maybe like door handles or.
Yeah, we have those also. Over here, we even carry commodes.
Oh, we got the commodes. All right.
So
if you're looking for, you could do a search for a toilet. Do your customers really use the word commode?
Well, yeah. Some of them do, some of them don't.
It's kind of a fancy word.
It is. Some of them even call them a John in a box.
Johnny in a box.
In a box.
John. Oh, there it is. It says right here, John in a box. So John in a box. That's a brand name, perhaps.
It is, and all these commodes, toilets I sell, we sell what they call a grab and go. I mean, you don't have to go anywhere else to get a pack of screws or an O-ring or a wax ring. You got everything in that one box.
It's like a complete kit.
That's correct.
That's convenient. So John in a box would be a brand name that people might look for if they knew something about the market. Hey, I'm looking for a John in the box. So they could search that. We put that in your keywords, and then DJs would come up as a brand.
Correct.
Yeah, cool.
And over here in this display, we sell a lot of floor registers.
Okay.
For heating and air.
Right. These are where the hot air, forced air
Correct.
comes up.
Also, in the summertime or in the spring, we sell what they call a lot of cool seal. That's to put on your roof. It's to prevent it from leaking.
Okay. So that would definitely be a keyword. Cool seal, right? Kool. People look for just that product.
That's correct.
Okay. Perfect. And this is caulking, it looks like.
It is.
Okay. So we would include that.
And over here, we sell a lot of bath fans, sidewall exhaust fans for the kitchen.
Sidewall exhaust. Did you say sidewall exhaust?
Sidewall exhaust fan that
All
goes
right.
in the kitchen.
All right.
And what that does, that draws your moisture out of the kitchen when you're cooking.
Okay.
So,
Like ventilation kind of
Correct.
fan. Sidewall
exhaust fan.
exhaust fan. That's definitely a key word. And then exhaust fan would also be. All right.
And right here we sell water heaters.
Okay. Water heater. And are these don't look like smaller water heaters.
These are 30-gallon, what they call tall.
Okay. 30-gallon tall.
Mm-hmm.
That might be a key word right there.
And there's 2-element or 1-element.
Okay.
So, of course, 2-element, your water heats up quicker than the 1-element.
Got it. So, but your most mobile homes have a 30 tall.
30 or 40, but we sell mainly 30. A lot of windows. We sell, those are just the regular mobile home windows, but up here on the end, when we get up here, the white ones, those are double insulated.
Double insulated. Now that would be a key word right there.
We've got some tub displays here, a garden tub.
A garden tub?
Garden tub,
Okay.
which is a bigger tub.
That's a key word right there, garden tub.
Then we'll go over
And then,
on the other side of
is this what's this, a standard tub?
that's a smaller tub.
Do people actually say smaller tub?
Well, 27 by 54 is your size on that.
Got it.
But we keep those over here in boxes. That's just a display.
Are some sizes so popular that people might search the actual size?
27 by 54, yes.
That might actually
Very
be
popular.
okay.
Over here to the left, that's what they call a wall surround. It matches the tub that goes above the tub.
The box, the square
Yes,
box
square
here on the
boxes,
left?
That's correct.
Okay.
But most of this stuff over here is sold.
Okay.
So, but we can still get it for a customer. And this display here on the floor, that's vinyl skirting. It
That goes
down the bottom on the outside.
goes around the bottom of your mobile home
Correct.
so that animals don't come in and live
Right.
under there.
Now in this box here,
Yep.
the longer box or the narrow box,
Yep.
that's what they call a trim kit.
Got it.
That's got your ground track,
Trim kit.
your top cover, then your band that snaps over that. All that's in one kit.
Someone's looking for a trim kit, or they're just searching and one word they know is that they know they need a trim kit. Boom, they find you, they find everything.
Correct. Now let's walk on. Now all of these here that you see
Yep.
are back doors.
Okay.
Exterior back doors.
These are not front doors.
No, these are different sizes. All the way down through here.
What's the difference between a front door and a back door, really?
Well, the front door always has a storm door.
Oh,
If you notice, it's got a storm door.
it's got two doors.
Yes, but
Got
it's one unit. It's all built together.
Got it.
And the back door, swings out where those over there swing in.
Okay. All right. Well, we now know the difference between a front and a back door.
All right.
Thank
now,
you.
Back here, we sell a lot of. I'll let you come on over here.
Okay.
We sell a lot of the imitation rock skirting,
Got it. Yeah, there's a lot of this here.
and that comes in 3 different sizes.
Is it the height here?
That's 5 by 48, 5
And-
foot by 4 foot. No.
And you're raised up 5 feet.
Well, it's 5 feet wide and 4 foot high.
Oh,
All
so
that.
it's for a clearance of 4 foot.
Correct.
Got it. And then what do we got here?
That's 5 by 36.
So that's clearance of 3 foot.
And then a 5 by 32.
So that's clearance of 32. These are standard heights for.
Behind you right here is an access door that you can cut into the panel
Got it.
to get to your water supply line.
Access door would be a keyword.
Oh, those are vents that we install in the skirting panel itself so it can breathe.
Oh, skirting panel vents.
Yes.
That might be so they go into the skirting panel.
Yeah, you just cut them into the panel.
Seems like you have what people need.
Well, we try to keep a good inventory.
Wait, what is this over here? Is this just really large doors or windows? I mean,
Those are windows. Those are vinyl windows. Those are sold.
oh, these are sold.
Yes.
They're also quite big.
Those are the double insulated. And we're going to install those. We have people that work for us full time.
So installation would be mobile home, installation would be a word. I also see that you do decks,
We do.
skirting. So skirting installation, deck
Yes,
installation.
We do everything except electrical. We do plumbing, and we do doors, we do windows, we do floor repairs, so on and so on.
All right.
All right, sir. I believe we might have got that done.
I think we did get it done. We did that pretty damn efficiently.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate you, man.
I'd like to see it once you get it going or whatever.
I will definitely do that.
Okay.
All right, now I'm going to cut. You ready? Signing off. Jimmy from DJ's.